The Epson F570 control panel is touchscreen and very easy to use and find what you're looking for. Starting with the currently loaded paper, we can tap that menu to give us options to feed and cut the paper, to adjust the paper, and also remove it to change to another roll. If we go into paper setting, we have additional paper options, including the option to load cut sheets. Going into printer status, we can see our ink supply status and firmware version. Going into settings will give us general printer settings as well as the maintenance menu and the various options for cleaning. We can also connect via Wi-Fi by simply tapping on the network connection settings and choosing router, and then choosing our Wi-Fi connection.